All right, let's do this. All right, so if you're just coming in, welcome to the stream. We are waiting for the news at 10 a.m. So we are just waiting to see. We are not looking at many pairs today. So let's wait and see how the news affects the market today so that we can know whether we will trade or we'll just wait for tomorrow. So the only pairs I'm interested in are the ones that are near the high or the low of the week. So GBP CAD, Euro is at the high, so I'm looking to buy at the low, not at the high. So I'll look at GBP CAD, GBP AUD. This one is at the high. Gold is inside. Oil might trigger the high. So 3 pairs, that is what we will be looking at. All right. So, hello everybody. Welcome to the stream. If you're just coming in, make sure to like the stream. It helps with the algorithm and you become the coolest guy. So, as usual, we have our pairs marked already and our system is still the same. Nothing has changed. We are using the failed breakout to identify our buyers today. So if we look at oil, we have this high set on Tuesday. Wednesday gives us a failed breakout. So obviously we are looking to sell oil today. Same as gold, but notice how oil is near the high. Gold is far from the high. So oil has a high probability of first trading these highs or clearing liquidity at the high once the news has been released. And then once news is released, we see which pair triggers liquidity, then we trade against it, but after the news. And for the buy scenario, we have this one that is at the high. We are not interested in that. This one is near the low. We have this level forming, so we might see a sweep of liquidity before price reverses. So that is what we are looking for. Same as this, we have this level forming here. We've already broken out. So we want to see price clearing liquidity, then giving us a nice level before breaking out. So basically, that is exactly what we are doing. So if you are watching us, introduce yourself and tell us where you are from, which country you're representing, and let's do this. All right, so we have Dina Asare, welcome. Spongy Mpole, hello, I hope uko salama. Abimbola from Nigeria, welcome. Makati, I hope I've not butchered your name. Sir, why GJ keep consolidating? So first of all, what is GJ doing? So I don't have GJ in my watch list, which means that probably it has no setup. Now, this is not consolidating. Price has already started. We are in a downtrend. So yes, we are already in a downtrend, but I have no signal. So I have no bias for today. So I don't know where price is headed. And we are inside. If you are inside, it's very dangerous. You can get trapped. You want to trade at the extremes where people get trapped. All right. Blessings from USA. Welcome. Richie B. Hi, I'm Richard. I'm based in the UK. Welcome. We hope the markets are doing well there. Simon from Kenya. Madia from Cameroon. Kamar from Nigeria. Paul Kareithi from Kenya. Welcome. Gaido. Hello. Makati, you checked it on your live yesterday. Oh, so Maurice, welcome. Juko from Uganda, welcome. Feel at home, like the video. All right, so Joe Afri, but you don't talk about Uganda time. Yes, I don't talk about Uganda, Kenyan time because I like to trade using the New York time. That is what my mentor taught me, and it stuck. So you can change that to your own preferred local time. But the New York is a big market, so it doesn't care about my time. So I just make everything easier for me. So yes, Sir Bob from Kitengela, man, welcome, man. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So we have some 9 minutes before we see some crazy volatility. So yesterday, GJ yesterday. Let's look at GJ yesterday. Yesterday we were looking to sell GJ. That is why we have this box here. We had this level, we had a nice consolidation forming here, but price continued going higher and higher. So remember, we can't control the market. All you have to do is just anticipate. So have a plan in mind and then just wait for that plan to get executed. So that is all I can say about GJ right now. Yeah. Let's do this. Let's do this. Excuse me. We have Odun Julang from Uganda. Yeah, we have Akwe from South Sudan. Welcome. Let's do this. Let's do this. So, is anyone in any trade right now? Is there anyone who is planning to blow their account today with the news? So that, we can observe your trade and see how you are obliterated. Or you make some money. You can go either way. If you're in any position right now, tell us so that we can also keep an eye on it. Jide Adedeji. Yeah, I read that right. Jide from Nigeria, welcome, welcome, welcome. Like the stream, if you feel like I provide good value, you can also tip me through the super thanks. Do that. I will appreciate it. Man, I appreciate you guys. AUDJPY sell. AUDJPY. All right. So why is this guy selling? So what do I see for me here? Yes, so we have this trending down like this. But again, price yesterday closed as a breakout. So we could also be seeing a situation where price shoots up to continue with yesterday's trend. We are at the low, price is consolidating. Price has not been going anywhere. Price has just been trapping traders. So we might see a breakout, price going down very explosively, or we might see price breaking out. So anything can happen. Anything can happen. Do you have a group? I have a school community. I have a Telegram channel, but I am moving my things to school. So I will I'll fix I will fix everything I need on school first today, and then tomorrow I will do a live stream and I will share the details. So if you want to join my school community, right now there is a technical hitch, but by tomorrow you will be able to join. We have Banabox or Banaboy, Banabox from Kigali, Rwanda. Welcome, welcome. Feel at home. Let's do this. I will also link my calendar on the chat, just in case some of you might want to reach out and talk to me, ask me some questions, and see maybe if even maybe I can help you. So I'll post it there. Feel free to book your call. It's free. And yeah. So we only have one guy who has a trade, AUDJPY. We will mark it. But let's get back to our pairs. So we see this one has already broken out. So in order for us to get in, we need to see first price going down, and then we need to see price giving us a level. So right now we have no solid level. We had this level here, and a level is just an area of consolidation. So we've broken above our level. This would have been a good entry if we had already cleared liquidity, but price has not done that yet. GBP is looking nice. We have this level. This is a level, a very good level, clear level, and price is going down. So we want to see that low being cleared and then price breaking out. We also don't have a lot of resistance, so we have a nice range. We might be getting ourselves a nice 1 to 3, 1 to 4, even a 1 to 5. Oil. Oil is shooting up. Oil also might give us a setup. So in the next 2 minutes, we will know what is happening. Let's look at our guy, AUD JPY. Is there any movement? Yep. We might be seeing price go higher and higher, although the news is not that strong. Like, there is no really big movement. It's underwhelming. Oh my God. So nothing really for us, really. All right, so let's look at NAS 100 and US 30 to see what's happening. So US 30 has cleared liquidity at the low of the week. So you might expect price to continue higher, but we don't have a clear level, so it's not very attractive, same as DJ30. US 100, on the other hand, where was the news? Yes, so with this strategy, with this breakout strategy, the moment price broke above this level, so with US 100 and US 30 and sometimes gold, you just, in the New York session, it's very easy to scalp. You just identify your levels and then you wait for the volatility to kick in. And in our case, the volatility was the news. So if you were to trade, then you would be going long there, stop loss below that breakout candle. And then it's very easy to target a 1 to 5. So again, this is the exact entry criteria that we use, but we have added on some confirmations so that we can limit the number of trades we take per week and also increase the quality of the trades. You know, if you have structure, you don't really have to worry about anything. So if you are a scalper, then US 100 is very good for scalping in the New York session. You just identify the high, the low, using the 5-minute. I mean, a high and a low where price is consolidating. Wait for price to either break out So to the upside, or if price had broken to the downside, you get in, target around 5. And yeah, like last time, I think we had one trader who took a position and got out with nice profits. Wanting break and close above 19,900 for another entry. Yeah, I don't like adding positions. It just complicates everything. You know, now you become more emotionally invested. So I don't have any advice for that or any thoughts. But yeah, you do you, you know, find what works best for you. Price will definitely continue higher. In fact, but there's a probability. No, price will just continue higher. You will see. Price will hit TP5, no problem. But let's get back to our pairs. We want to see uh, if we will get anything. Oil is, well, still not there yet. Still not there yet. Justin. You are not, that is not, I'll just be frank with you. That is not good trading. You know, this price has a potential of giving you a 1 to 5. So you're leaving money off of the table because you are uncertain, you are unsure. So you need to work on that, because 1 to 5 is better than a 1 to 2. And that I can guarantee you. So work on that. Just work on building that strength to hold more profits. Man, these are the type of trades I like to see. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. How about our guy, AUDJPY? Yep, as predicted. The reason why I was thinking price has a high probability of going up is because yesterday price closed as a breakout. And if it's a breakout, there's a very high probability price will continue in the direction of the trend. And if it's a failed breakout, we look for reversals. So yeah, if you are in this trade, I would be getting out if I was short. So if you're just coming in, welcome to the stream. Like the video, it helps the algorithm. Comment your thoughts, tell us where you're from, and if the news fucked you over or you've just doubled your account. Let's do this. So for both of these, so GBP card, we are waiting for price to clear liquidity at the low. Excuse me. GBP AUD as well, we are waiting for price to clear liquidity at the low. So if you're an ICT trader, you know that equal loss is a price magnet. That's what you want to call it. I have friends who trade ICT. Excuse me, sorry. But my point is we have liquidity at this low, and trading anywhere inside here is a really bad idea. A very, very bad idea. Shiprid, welcome. Can you explain how the daily close works? The timestamps would be beneficial. Thank you in advance. All right. So if I understand your question, how the daily close affects affects the direction of price. All right. So let's use the example of US 100 and also just look at what is happening. All right. So if we look at, well, US 100 is not a good example. Let's use maybe GBP AUD. So there are three things that price can do. So if you imagine this as a daily candle, price can stay inside of that daily candle, which means price does not break out of the high or the low. So it's an inside day. So to me, I don't really pay close attention to inside days. Now, they have their own significance. It's just that I am ignorant of their significance. The next thing is price can break out and close above the high. So this is what we call a breakout. And even in our entries, it's the same thing. We wait for price to break out of our level in order for us to buy. Why? Because a breakout is a very strong indication that price will continue in the direction of the breakout. So it's the same thing. Once price breaks above our high of the day, then obviously expect that the next day there's a very high probability price will continue in the direction of the breakout. But if this breakout fails, then we know that we have a high probability of price reversing the next candle. It's as simple as that. And so, with that simple concept in mind, you can apply it to the daily candle, the weekly candle, the monthly candle, the yearly candle, for you to do your analysis. So this is how we do our higher time frame analysis. Then now we can wait for our trading process on that trading day. I hope I've answered your question. If I've not, please clarify where I have not answered, and I will answer. I will clarify. All right. So we have, oh, excuse me. Oh man, I am experiencing some sore throat here. Beautiful. So if we look at this situation here, price has come back to the low of the day. All right. So what we want to see is price triggering that low and then giving us some kind of a reversal pattern. So it might take some maybe 20, 30 minutes to see a significant pattern form. Even 45 minutes, which means we might not be getting a setup even though price might trigger liquidity. How about GBP AUD? GBP AUD is still lazy, not going anywhere. Oil is looking nice. We've already cleared liquidity at the high. All right. We don't have a level yet. So, yes, and unless price closes below that. Now, how about if we go to the 5 minute? So if you go to the 5 minute, we have this level here. And we see that level reaches there. And if we go even lower, maybe the 2 minute or the 1 minute, just to see what price is doing. So we see that this one candle was an explosive candle. We don't have any level yet, so we'll just go back to the 5 minute and be patient. We might also see maybe something forming here or not. You know, you never know. And AUD JPY, price is just inducing fear. I know traders who are trading this pair right now are panicking. So if your psychology is not in place, oh my God, you're having one hell of a trading session. Same as US 100. You know, a lot of traders, once price goes into profit, they move to break even very quickly. And then you get stopped out at break even. Then price goes back and hits TP. Oh, that is a bad feeling, you know. And it's all because of fear, you know. So the secret to this game is risk management. You're supposed to risk money you're willing to lose 100%. And you also need to be playing this game like a marathon, you know. It's not about making the big bucks now, but doing the same thing over and over again for years and years. You can stick to one strategy for 1 year. Oh my God, you're going to be unstoppable. You have answered it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, come on. What's wrong with me? All right. So we have already cleared liquidity at the low of the week. So now all we need is price to either bounce off of this small line here. We want to see price going up. Then bouncing, then breaking out. To give us a nice head and shoulders pattern. For GBP AUD, price is not going to reach our level. And for oil, we don't have any hopes. So I don't have a lot of expectations for today. I'm just chilling and waiting. So, but since the news was not even that explosive, I don't think we'll be seeing any significant movement in the pairs that we are watching. How about US 100? US 100, yep, people got stopped out. It is what it is. It is what it is. How about AUD JPY? All right. Moving down. All right. So we're only looking at GBP card. Let's wait and see. All right. So let's look at Euro USD. So where are we? So we can see we have a lot of pins. Price has been consolidating. So realistically speaking, Euro USD is not a good setup to trade right now. How about, oh, all right. Innocent from Nigeria, welcome. Let's do this. Let's do this. So as you can see, uh, I have no read on that. It's too complicated. So GBP card, nothing. GBP AUD, nothing. Oil. Now, oil is looking very interesting. So if we form a level here, we might have something to look forward to. So you can see price has gone down, went up, gone down. So we need to see price creating a bullish candle before breaking out. That is the only way we can have a setup on oil. Collins FX, Dr. Collins FX, good evening to you too. Welcome to the stream. Man, you're welcome. That's why we do this. And by the way, guys, if you feel like this content is helping out, you can support the channel by liking the stream. You can also leave a tip using the super thanks according to how much value you feel you've been getting. So this is the best way the channel actually grows. So you are welcome, man. You're welcome. Please, does this work on synthetics? I have not tried it on synthetics. So if you understand the concept, you can apply it and see if it works. Then give us the feedback. It's like you only come to the market during this New York session. So I like to stream the New York session because it has a lot of volatility. But I do look at the London also. I have access to the London. It's in the morning. I like to reserve that energy to the markets and just focus on other businesses then. So we can see here uh, we have one touch, we have two touches. So now we are waiting for price to break out. And also notice, even when you go to the 1 minute time frame, you have this reversal structure where price is creating lower lows, I mean lower highs, but we have one level down. So this is a wedge. So what we want to see is now price breaking below in the next 20 minutes. Otherwise, we won't have anything for us. So we want that breakout on the 5 minute. All right, so we are still waiting for this breakout. We have 10 minutes, so I don't think we shall be getting any setup anytime soon. So let's just wait for those 10 minutes to see what happens. So everything is looking nice. All right, so if the next candle does not close below that level, that line, then I will not be trading. Our time will be up. So basically, no trade for us today. We play the game. Tomorrow is another day. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.